Recording. Dave here, how are you? I'm going to try and do this in one take on my phone, so bear with me. What I'm doing is I'm cleaning off these tabs. Now these tabs are left by the CNC. These tabs actually stop the pieces running into, once they've been cut all the way through, stops them flying off around the room and becoming a missile. So I need to get rid of these tabs after they've come off the CNC. Now what I'm going to do is I'm using my little dewalt trimmer, which is a magic machine. So it's this little guy here. I made this little perspex cradle for it. And you'll notice also, here's a tip. If you've got one of these and you want to use a 27mm festool hose with it, you can do. Cut the outside of the dust collection point. Leave the inside part there and the 27mm will slide straight onto there. So that's one little quick tip. Now I'm going to drop this back in here. This is on my multi-function bench table thing that I made years ago. It takes the Craig Foreman, it takes this guy, it's got a little clamp point back here for bench clamps, and also I've got these jigs, and I can put perspex jigs in here to create right angles, all that kind of stuff. But this little guy here acts as a fence, and the other thing, it acts as a dust shroud for the trimmer. Now I have to make sure, one other thing, this is not really supposed to be used in this situation, sticking up. Of course, that's the sharp part sticking up. This covers it and makes it a whole lot safer. So in this situation, I can use it. So I'm going to make sure that the bearing can rest against the bottom of this section here. I want to remove these tabs on the top, as I mentioned. So I'm going to set it up so that the bearing is touching. I'll bring the fence forward a little, not too much. I just want to make sure I'm covering. And it's also going to collect dust for me rather than it flying all around the room. Okay. Because I'm using MDF, I will still wear a dust mask. And here we go. Make sure that's all tight. We're connected up through the CTS or CTL or the CT26. I keep on forgetting what it is, with the separator on it. Put the dust hose on like I was talking about. Turn the router on. Done. All done. So there you go. I've got a nice clean finish all the way around, and that will let me get some other work done on it. But I thought I'd quickly share that with you. It's been a little while since I've done a video, so that's how it happens. It's dead easy. You can do something like this if you want to as well. Thanks for watching. If you like what I'm doing, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you feel like it, and I shall see you next time. Bye.